Hey Spartans, it's Cline, Assistant Director of Success Advising, here to walk you through the perfect egg and cheese sandwich. Now, one of my favorite things about my job is being there during finals week to whip up some scrambled eggs for you all on the griddle for late night breakfast. And we can't do that this year, so we're in my kitchen and I'm going to create the best egg sandwich and walk you through it. We're going to go ahead and get started. I've got 2 eggs. I've got a slice of pepper jack cheese. I've got butter for our bread and some olive oil cooking spray. Now, I've got the pot or the pan all heated up, ready to go. But first you want to get your toast started so that it's ready by the time we're done. Spray a little bit of cooking spray on there. I'm going to do 2 eggs because I'm quite hungry. But 1 egg is just good enough if you're not all that hungry. You want a nice good sizzle so that those eggs cook nice and quick. Now, I'm not a fan of real messy sandwiches, so what I like to do is just break up this yolk just a little bit with the spatula. You can keep it intact, or even if you like some scrambled eggs, you can do that as well. That'll work. It's not going to take very long for the first side of these eggs to cook. Combined a little bit in my pan. Just going to do a quick flip. You get it? There we go. Once you make the flip, that's when you want to throw your cheese on. I'm going to divide my 1 slice of cheese for each egg. While that's wrapping up, cancel this toast. It's ready to go. Go ahead and butter both of those. You'll eat this sandwich butter side in. Obviously, you don't want that butter getting all over your hands. Eggs are about done. Best thing about this meal is that it's the perfect combination of carbohydrates, protein, fat, everything you're going to need to fuel up for those late night meals. My cheese is about melted. I'll take 1 egg off, throw it on there. Stack it with the other egg. Melt that butter a little bit more. Complete it. There you go. I want to wish you all luck on finals this week. I can't wait to see you back on campus, and have a good night.